The next kit that I want to talk about is the Movo wireless microphone kit. So this is the one that comes with 2 microphones, which is great. To pair these, you just have one on-off switch on the side. And for this one, once you kick that on, take it a second and it'll start flashing blue. So it's trying to pair to the other microphones. And so you'll do the same. You have the same on-off on the side of this one, and then it'll flash quickly initially. And then once it's paired, this one will be solid. This one will still blink on and off. It'll be a slow blink once it's paired. So you can see this one initially when I first turn it on. It'll take it a second. And now it is paired as well to the receiver. So these come with lavalier microphones that you can clip onto yourself, and then you'll just take the other portion here and plug that into the actual microphone. So there's 2 slots. There's a microphone and a line in. So you want to make sure that you're plugged into the left slot, so the microphone slot, and then you'll be sending your audio coming straight from the lavalier microphone that you can clip onto your shirt or wherever close by your subject. And then you could just clip this part like onto your pocket or onto your pants. And then again, the receiver will go on the top of your camera. It has a connector to where you can just put it into your cold shoe like we did with the Movo shotgun microphone. I'll go ahead and switch and show you the audio quality coming from this. I'm gonna grab the 3.5mm jack. And so you want to plug this into the line out of the receiver here. And these are labeled too, so it says wireless receiver, and then the other ones it says wireless transmitter. But I'm going to plug this into the camera now so you can hear the audio quality from the Movo kit. I'm going to actually turn this one off too, just so you're hearing the one microphone. So this is the audio quality coming from the Movo wireless microphone kit. The receiver is plugged directly into the camera, and the lavalier microphone is on my shirt now, and so hopefully you hear me nice and clear. All right, I went ahead and unplugged that. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug the cables from these and go ahead and turn these off. That side button, and off again here on this one. Just click that down. And that is the Movo wireless kit. Again, you have a little bit more flexibility with this one, having the 2 separate microphones, which is great.